Look at this. It's my favourite locomotive. The Class 77. Holland Freights. Ah, I think I missed it. Hopefully I'll catch over there. So we can catch the call over there. The Class 77. Hey, look, the Class 77 over there. With all the fights. The Class 77. Oh, no, this train's gonna block my way. But glad to see the Class 77. And there goes another favorite locomotive, the B106. I got my most favorite one. I love that livery, the green and silver one. I hear a nice jet plane flying over it. Let's get a tone. Get a tone for B106. No toes! That's my favourite locomotive, the B106. Oh, that's my most favourite one, 106. That livery at the back. Here it comes. TGV, my another favourite locomotive. I mean, U-Star. No tones. Probably wave at me. There we go. Probably off to Amsterdam. Yeah, probably off to Amsterdam. Look at that. Some old coaches. Here goes another one